Hey, Automox here. Let's walk through using required software policies. Required software policies give you the ability to install and patch selected software across multiple devices and allow for automating third-party software patching. This policy helps to ensure that only the right software is installed and remains installed on your users' machines. The required software policy supports devices running on Windows, Mac, or Linux. From the System Management page, click the Create Policy button in the top right corner of the console. Next, select your operating system's version of required software policy. Name the policy and add a description of the policy's function to the Notes section. Next, upload the installation file of the software you want the policy to install. Automox will store this file in our servers, so it does not have to be stored locally. Before selecting the file to upload, you will need to save the policy. Select Save, and then upload the installation file. To demonstrate, we'll upload an MSI file to deploy PuTTY. For certain file types, Automox can automatically populate the package name and version. If this information is identified, you will have the option to override the original package name and version entered. If Automox cannot locate the package name or version, you can provide it manually. Supported installation files will automatically populate the installation command in the installation command box below the package identification section that will install the software if it is not found on an endpoint. Once all of these steps have been completed, set the policy schedule and save it. Select the months, weeks, and days you want the policy to run. You also have the ability to select a particular time of day you want the policy to execute. By default, this time will reflect the local time of the devices the policy will be running on. To finish, save the policy. You can now start assigning the policy to groups of devices. When the policy runs, it will evaluate the devices to see if the software is already installed. If the software is not installed, then the policy will automatically remediate and install the software. For more information on supported installation files and how to locate package names and versions, visit support.automox.com.